Hi guys, Alina is here. Welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to show you something fun. So today we're going to talk about how to create that foolproof perfect red lip. I'll show you a few different tips and tricks on how you can make it last longer and just look better, and just how to apply the red lipstick. And then we're going to spice it up a little bit. So if you're wanting to learn how to create a perfect red lip for the holiday season, please keep on watching. So before we're going to start applying the lipstick and the lip liner, I just wanted to share with you a few different tricks that you can do before applying the liner or the lipstick, just to make your application easier. So first of all, there are two products that you might be able to use. This one is Lip Line Perfector from Makeup Forever, and what it does not have any color to it. So I'm going to just line my lips with it, and what it's going to do is just going to create the barrier between the foundation and between the liner. So it's going to make sure that my lipstick is not going to run, and yeah, it's just going to make it super easy. So as you can see, there's nothing on my lips, so it does not leave any trails of any color. Another trick that you might want to use at some point is using the Colorless setting powder. Any translucent setting powder would really do. So what you're going to do, you're just basically going to pack it onto your lip contour with a brush or with a sponge, with anything. So as you can see, I look a little bit funny. The powder just stays on, and I'm just going to wipe it off after I'm done. I'm taking the MAC lip liner in the color Ruby Woo, and what I do on my hand, I'm just warming it up before applying it onto my lips. I always warm up the lip liners on the back of my hand. It just helps the application. It just warms up a little bit the pencil. So let's try it out. So here it is. I have defined the contour of the lips with the lip liner. Then I'm going to go in with the lipstick. And there are two different ways you can do this. You can just take the lipstick, and I am going to apply this lipstick in MAC Red. And actually the name of the lipstick is MAC Red, but it's by MAC Cosmetics. You can just go ahead and apply the lipstick, or you can use the lip brush. It's up to you, whatever you're more comfortable with. Now the tricky part is, if you've worn red lipstick before, you know how it transferred onto your teeth. Look at me. So to avoid that, I know it's going to look a little bit funny on camera right now, but all you have to do is to remove the excess lipstick from your lips, and doing that is super easy. You can just do that. So as you can see, the excess lipstick is on my finger now. So I'd rather have it on my finger so I can wipe it off and not have it on my teeth, you know, when I'm smiling. So see? Makes a difference. Now I'm just going to take a brush and there we go. The translucent powder is gone and I have a perfect red lips. So now let's see how we can spice this classic look up a little bit. There are a few different ways that you can play with this red lipstick. If you have a little bit of translucent powder and pack this translucent powder onto your lips, you can make it matte. Another way to spice it up a little bit is to use a fun gloss. Any color would do. You could just apply a little bit of the gloss on top of the lipstick. Another way to spice it up a little bit is to create a so-called like almost like an ombre effect by using a darker lip liner. So let's try that. Let's make this classic red lipstick into more fun and ombre looking one, just to create more dimension and more fun. Why not? So here we go, we spiced it up a little bit. We made it a little bit more dimensional. I just added a little bit of a darker liner in the inner corners, in the outer corners of the lips, I guess. And yeah, and just kind of connected everything together with the red lipstick. So this is another way you can wear a red lipstick. So it's a little bit more dimensional, it's still red, but it's a little bit different. It has a little bit of a kick to it. Another thing that you can put on top of this is like a little bit of a gloss. So let's use this matte gloss in the color Let's Rock. And it just has a little bit of a kick to it. It does have a little bit of a goldish undertone to it. So I just applied a little bit in the center of my lips. And you can see it already has more dimension and it's just a little bit more fun. But now let's try and make it a little bit more fun. I know how trendy it was a couple years ago when Vanessa Merrick's introduced the glitter lips, and it was so trendy. So since we applied the gloss on top, we can spice it up a little bit more. We can put some glitter on top and play with that. So here is the finished look. We just spiced it up a little bit with adding a little bit of glitter on top of the gloss. Make sure that the surface of lips has something sticky on it to kind of like almost like an adhesive for the glitter so it stays. I recommend just using the gloss on top of the lipstick. It just makes, you know, the glitter stay on longer. And there we go. It's just a nice kick to it for the holidays, or literally for any party. You could use glitter of any color as well. So hopefully you liked this little tutorial. Hope it was a little bit fun. I hope you loved the tips and the tricks that I shared with you. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos from me. If you like this video, please give me some likes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and bye guys.